Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to solve a problem in which we'll be checking whether the given input number is palindrome or not. To check whether the given number is palindrome or not, we are going to reverse the digit in the given number, and we are going to compare the reverse digit with the original input number. If both are matching, we are going to consider that as a palindrome number. If not matching, we'll be returning it as a not palindrome. And the input cases will be, it could be of positive number and it could be of negative number, and it can have different number of digits. And the constraint to solve this problem is we should solve this without converting the input integer to string. So if you are considering to convert to string, so we can easily find the reversed string of given character, or we can loop through each character and we can easily find concatenate and we can find the reverse string, and we can just find whether both are matching or not. But to solve this problem, we should not consider converting the integer to string. So we'll see what is the approach we can use. First thing is, if it is a negative number, then if we try to reverse the digit, consider this maybe 1 to 1 only, minus 1 to 1. If we try to reverse this digit, this will become 1 to 1, and the minus will come at the end of this. So this is not a valid number itself. So if the number is negative, we can blindly consider it, it will not be a palindrome, we can simply return. And if it is negative number, if it is any negative number, yeah, it will not be a palindrome. If it is a 0, or if the number is 0 and it is less than 10, maybe until 0 to 9, then we can consider it will be a palindrome because it is containing only one digit. So the problem that we need to consider is starting from 10 to whatever constraint is given here. So we'll see what is the approach what we are going to do. Maybe to understand the mathematical thing what we are going to use, we'll take one input like 789. Okay, so this is the given input. So we need to find the reversed digit of this number. So so we need to find the last digit, then we need to move towards left one position, then we need to find the next digit, and we need to keep adding in our reverse number. That is approach. So we have a way to find a large last digit. Always we'll put mod 10. So when we put mod 10 in any number, we'll be getting the last digit. When I put this, I'll be getting 7. Okay, sorry, I'll be getting 9. So yeah, I'll be putting my result or reverse number here, I'll say. So when I do this step, I'll be getting 9 as my output. Okay, I got 9. I have added it in my reverse number. So after this, I need to move one position towards left. So when I come to this step, I'll be having 7, 8 alone. So again, I will put mod 10 here. Okay, this time I'll be getting 8. Okay, now I have 8 and I already have something in reverse number called 9. So I need to combine these two. It is not a string to directly concat, right? So we need to if we are bringing this 8 near to this 9, then it should become 98. Correct. So because it's not a simple string to concatenate, we need to find a formula. So what we can do, if we multiply this with 10, so it will become 90. Then we can plus this 8, whatever reminder what we came here, right? So if you do plus 8, then it will become 98. So 9 times 10 will become 90, plus 8, 98. So this will become like this. Okay, now yeah, after we found second digit, we'll be left with only 7 here. And if you put mod 10, we'll be getting 7 only as an output. Now again, to add the 7 here, we'll multiply this with the 10. So 98 times 10 will get 980. Then we'll put 7, so we'll get 987. You can see the reverse number of this, reversed digit of the given number we have got. This is the approach that we are going to use. We'll see how to do that. So for that, we are going to create one variable called reverse, initialize with 0. Okay, initially it will be 0. So first step what we have done, reverse equal to x mod 10. We are going to find x mod 10. That's it. It will be always full number, so we don't need to convert, I believe. Just align a bit. Okay, reverse equal to reverse dot bend 10 in the first step. Then we need to move to next position, right? So for that, what we'll do, we need to move to next position. What we'll do, x equal to x divided by 10. If we do this, one tenth position will be moved towards left, so it will become if we divide this number by 10, we'll get 78. So this may become fractional, so we'll do the percent to get the round number. Now we did. But when we go to the next position, so we'll be running this inside loop, correct? So while of until x greater than 0, we are going to do this. But we found that when we come to next step, so we need to apply this formula. Whatever reverse number we already have, we need to multiply that with 10, then we need to add the whatever remainder in the current iteration, right? So for that, what we are going to do, so we are going to move this declaration outside. So this reverse number equal to reverse number into 10, then plus this. So this is the formula we have applied. So whatever reverse number already exists, multiply that with 10 and plus with current remainder value, whatever is coming in the current iteration. That is all. So yeah, that is all I believe. Yeah. If we do console.log, what are we getting? We'll see for given input. The test case will be failed for sure, but okay, the solution console.dot reverse. Okay, there is a typo. Okay, you can see in console log we got 1 to 1, so we got the reverse number here. We can simply check return whether reverse number is equal to x. But you can see we are keep modifying x inside loop, right? We are just moving this x to one position towards left, right? For each iteration we are moving, so this x will not hold the original input string whatever we got. So we'll have this one placeholder to hold original input string. Original input may be equal to x, which will not change. So this, instead of comparing with x, we'll compare with this. And we have already seen some cases like if x is less than 0, will blindly return false. Okay. And if x is greater than 0 and x is less than 10, then also will blindly return true. If the input number contain more than 2 digit and that too positive, then only we need this logic. That is all. We'll try to run this. I hope that is, yeah, is false and is true. You can see all the cases are accepted. So it is working for integer number with 3 digit, and it is working for minus negative numbers also, and it is working for 2 digit also. We'll try to submit. Yeah, it is approved. Yeah, that is all I had for this video. Thank you for watching. In this channel, every day I'll be posting videos related to full stack development and cloud technologies as well as interview challenges. If you like this type of content, please do subscribe and support me to grow this channel.